So today I want to show you the 228 kilowatt Formentor, the brand new baby from the Cupra family. So first of all, you have to start the car, and this is here on the steering wheel. As we have a nice track in front of us, I take the Cupra mode, and you can also select it on the steering wheel. So here we go. You feel this phenomenal acceleration. Hi Marta.
Hi.
What a great car. I especially love the driving modes. Can you explain me a little bit about the modes?
Yeah, what we made with this car is try to get the feelings on a compact, and with the progressive steering and the adaptive chassis, we have built up 3 driving modes: Comfort, Sport and Cupra.
Let's talk about the seats. You have a really good guidance from the seats and this wraparound in the cockpit.
The seats is something that we take a lot of care about. It's one first step to bring the experience of the racing car to the serious car. The seats is the first contact between the driver and the car, and it transmits the whole sensations of the road and so on. So we have been very careful.
So what was the target for the design?
Here the design team has taken their vision of the Cupra, and they have made the first auto 100% Cupra, but also the concept team and engineering team made a huge work then to put this vision of the design into reality.
So the team has done a brilliant job, and this is what we see now on the road.